Hey everyone, I am MD Mahat Islam Shekhar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who am I? A normal human who learns like and teaches about digital marketing, graphic design, and AI content creation. Today is our first digital marketing class. We will learn basic to advanced. Let's see our course introduction. Digital marketing course module. What we will learn in this course? AI tools for digital marketers, Canva design masterclass, Facebook marketing organic, Instagram marketing organic, WhatsApp marketing, YouTube marketing organic, TikTok marketing organic plus paid, LinkedIn profile optimize and branding, social media management and automation, chatbot marketing and automation, influencer research, outbound lead generation, inbound lead generation, email marketing and automation, basic WordPress, website creation, e-commerce and portfolio, WordPress website SEO, Google business profile, how to start an online business in 2026 with zero investment, Meta as A to Z, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. That's all we will learn in this course. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of online platforms and digital tools to promote products, services, and brands to connect with a target audience on the internet. We can see some types of digital marketing: influencer marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, SEM, search engine marketing, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, pay-per-click, digital marketing career opportunities. After learning this course, what will become? Let's see. We can be a social media manager, become a social media marketer, become a email marketer, lead generation expert, a content marketer, a search engine marketer, digital marketing specialist, freelancer. What is a freelancer or who is a freelancer? We can say an individual who earns money on a part job or part task basis. Advantages and anxieties of freelancer work. Advantages: flexible schedule, higher income potential, working from anywhere, variety of project anxieties, managing a work-life balance, unstable income, finding clients, time management. We can see what we will learn in this course also career growth, and this skill is a highly demanded skill, how to attract client. Portfolio. What is a portfolio? Portfolio is a curated collection of materials such as project design, photos, or documents showcasing a person's skill, experience, and professional growth. We can see some names of marketplace where we can find our works. Fiverr, Upwork. Let's see Fiverr. We can see there is a section of digital marketing. What we can provide service after learning this course. We can see search engine optimize, social media marketer, and others. Method and techniques: video marketing, e-commerce marketing, email automation, analytics, and strategy. We can say we can provide all of these services after learning this. There are the name of the marketplace where we can provide our services in Fiverr, Upwork, Kwork, Freelancer, Legit, People Per Hour, SEO, Killex, Guru. Outside of marketplace, where we can find our clients or we can provide our services out of marketplace, we can see social media platforms names: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, email marketing. Job website. We also can do job after learning this skill. We can do jobs remotely. Some job website names we can see here: LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Jobable, FlexJob, Simply Hat, Working Nomads, Jeep Recruiter, Jeep Recruiter. Let's explore Simply Hat job website. We will see remote here, and here you can see here you can see that job title, skill or company. We will type our skill. We can see there. Then we search jobs. Here we can see 35 to 45 for an hour, per hour, and part-time job. This is the first job: email marketing for a graphic designer. Then marketing and graphic design assistant. content assistant, full-time job. Their job post 3 days ago. Here we can see full job description, summary of the job, job description and requirements, responsibilities. So we can find job where we can work from our home. Career opportunities, we can understand what the career opportunity of after learning this skill. We can do freelancing, we can do job, and we can also do business. That's all for today. Your homework is research and find more 5 freelancing marketplaces which are not showing in this class and make a list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.